Et bonjour à tous, c'est Hyper, j'espère que ça va. On est sur Horizon, comme d'hab, et nous sommes dans une nouvelle ville. Alors, nous sommes à la ville juste en bas, que je vais aller découvrir, la ville de Marépine. Alors, l'épisode principal, hein, je vous rassure. On va continuer la quête principale. Alors, je voulais juste voir qu'est-ce qu'ils avaient, et c'est pas mal. Ils ont un arc de chasseur avec ça. C'est pas trop mal. Ils ont... Et du coup je peux acheter. Ils ont ça là. Regarde-moi ça. 102. Abusé. Si tu compares par rapport à Bal, le nouveau là, 205,76. Donc c'est pas énorme. Ça va, mais c'est pas énorme. Celui-là il fait très mal. Regardez, si on compare 140, 120 et 168 de dégâts purs. C'est assez violent. Et il y a celui-là aussi, je sais pas ce que c'est comme truc, c'est amélioré encore plus, j'imagine. Bref, ça fait très mal. Mais, pas assez. Ouais. Et ils ont plein de trucs, ils ont des gantelets, ils ont des lance-carreaux, des lance-piques, des lance-cordes. Ils ont plein de trucs, et c'est trop bien. Alors non, je sais pas. Bref. Mais c'est pas du légendaire, donc ça ne m'intéresse pas malheureusement. Par contre, ils ont du légendaire en tenue, mais pas ce que je veux. Donc ils ont pas de guerrier en tenue ici. Donc faudra probablement attendre ici pour que... faudra débloquer cette zone là pour que je puisse continuer. Pas le secondaire, mais au moins les quêtes... au moins le farm de stuff. Parce que je vous avais dit que je voulais refaire mon stuff complètement. Et vas-y, je peux le faire en légendaire, quitte à autant attendre de pouvoir le faire en légendaire. Vu que de toute façon je farm comme un hébreu, autant attendre. Alors, est-ce qu'il n'y a pas un... Eh ben un petit feu de camp là. C'est de l'autre côté. Là-bas. On va aller se TP tranquillement. Et du coup, alors on va continuer la quête secondaire. Enfin, la quête principale, pardon. Alors j'avoue que j'ai vachement décidé tard, hein, si je voulais faire un épisode secondaire ou pas. Et puis je me suis dit, nah, on va continuer la quête principale. On a le niveau, pour le coup, on est niveau 26. La quête principale c'est niveau 24. On a 2 niveaux de plus. Normalement ça passe. Oula. Alors.
Is it me or do the old ones just look funny?
Yeah.
Anyhow, their clothes, they're weird. They're so tight.
For once, I'd have to agree. I'd rip those things to shreds in a fight.
Guess they didn't move around as much.
Ouais, je suis mort. Ok, zo. Comme d'hab, je me tais pour les cinématiques.
It is good to see you again, Aloy. I see you have recovered Demeter. With the acquisition of Ether, Poseidon, and Demeter, my heuristic processing density has expanded greatly. I should now be able to absorb Hephaestus, and fortunately, we have made progress on a plan to capture it. With Varl's encouragement, Beta analyzed all available information on Hephaestus. Its expansion has been rampant. It is too large to be beamcast, and the kernel you've been using could never hold it. Therefore, it must be contained in a location with a direct physical connection to me. A place with 2 data cores.
2 cores. Where would we find a place like that? Gemini.
An abandoned cauldron in the desert west of here. Seismic activity disrupted the original construction. 2 data cores were built as a result.
I've been there. The Tenakth marked the entrance as some kind of ritual ground. We'll have to bring you there by hand.
I have devised a blueprint for a suitable, albeit unwieldy, transport rig. It will require 2 people to carry it to Gemini.
I can help.
Once I am installed on the first core, I will call down Hephaestus on the other, trapping it. I will then initiate the merge. However, in order to construct the rig, I will need considerable help.
Can you build it? I suppose I could, but it's not gonna work. The Zeniths will find you. Minerva won't be able to conceal your location.
That is correct. Absorbing Hephaestus will create a significant power surge, easily detected by anyone capable of noticing.
But what if there were multiple power surges? To fake out the Zeniths? If Erend, Zoe, and Katalo spread out to the other cauldrons and create their own surges, would those conceal the one at Gemini?
Analyzing. Such a tactic might be effective. With Beta's help, we should be able to build a set of handheld pulse generators.
I told you it's not gonna work. I did a test. Hephaestus has written Alpha clearance out of its access module. You'll never be able to capture it. Then we need a higher level of clearance. There is no higher... Ted Pharaoh's Omega clearance. The one he used to purge the Apollo database and kill the Alphas. But to get it, you would have to find Thebes. The private bunker he retreated to when the world ended, and nobody knows where that is, not even the Zeniths. Their only intel was that it was somewhere in San Francisco. That might be all I need. Alva, the Quen diviner I met, said her people had set up a base at Landfall. They were searching for data in San Francisco from there. She might be able to help. So I guess I'm headed all the way west. While I'm gone, will you be able to build the rig and the pulse generators? I'll try.
I'll make sure she has what she needs.
Eh bien putain, sacré plan.
Alva said the Quen have a ferry on the coast that they use to get to the ruins of San Francisco. That's where I need to go.
On a plein de points de compétences qu'on va devoir remettre. Là, niveau 27. Nice.
Aloy, I have managed to unlock an additional room near the servers.
Understood.
So the old ones
Where'd
painted their
Katalo
faces
go?
with something called makeup, like the card chef. Why?
C'est où les sorts?
Just me.
It probably meant something to them,
Oh, une cache.
as it does to mine and the Tenakth.
I just think my face says it all as is. That's all.
That it does.
Merde, c'est où les cerfs?
I think I'll get it.
Là?
Looks like some of the holograms are working now.
Ouais.
I have repurposed the displays to track Regala's activity in the region.
A useful
Merci.
warm-up.
Voilà, ensuite. Ça c'était déjà là. J'ai vu un truc. Ça c'est chez nous.
Was this door always locked?
Beta requested the use of that room as her personal space. I have locked it at her request.
The vault. I found a locked door behind the vent in the basement. Wonder if that's it.
Ah. Ah non, non, très faire. Y'a pas une... Ouais, c'est pour ça. T'inquiète, hein. T'inquiète, bêta, je fais rien de fou. Je te pique un truc.
Looks like a power cell could fit here. Okay, that console has power now.
Oups.
From the looks of this data, Festus has been trying to hack into the repair bay.
Putain.
Okay, doesn't look like it's been able to.
Cool. Ah oui, lol. Ah, sacré bordel. Niveau combien la quête? 26. C'est bon, c'est faisable. Let's go. On se casse. Faut aller où? Ah oui, faut sortir d'abord. Oh ouf ça. Allez. Faut aller où? Ah bah putain. Je crois que j'ai bien fait hein. Et surtout j'ai bien fait de pas faire ce code là parce que je comptais le faire. Si jamais on faisait un épisode secondaire je comptais faire celui-là donc heureusement. Alors. On va passer par là. Pas rapide. Alors autant j'avoue j'avais eu beaucoup de mal à jouer à Horizon Zero Dawn. Je trouvais le jeu un peu chiant, honnêtement. Le open world était trop vaste, il y avait pas assez de choses à faire. Autant sur celui-là de jeu, ah c'est mieux déjà. C'est bien mieux quand même. J'avoue. Ah, dans ce jeu il y a trop de trucs à faire. Le open world est trop rempli genre. C'est abusé. Et en plus il est grand. Oh forêt. Carapateur. Allez, allez vous baigner un peu là. Ne t'en dérouille pas dans cet univers. Ah c'est très beau. C'est dommage qu'il fasse nu. J'avoue. On est sur la plage là. Oups. Alors.
Time to cross the water, look for landfall, and over.
Tu veux voir un truc non?
No one here. That's strange. Well, nothing's stopping me from taking a boat.
Ah putain. On va vraiment y aller en radeau là? Bon. Bon, on ira en bateau.
choice but to head for that beach.
Attends, mais c'est une belle map. Oh putain. Bonne map?
No one's guarding this side of the ferry, huh?
Alors. Ah. Bateau pour l'île aux aiguilles. Ah.
Where are the Quem? Landfall, I guess. I better go find it. Should be to the northeast.
Ok, pardon. Bon, du coup, la logique, on a plus notre mancheur.
I don't think I can override you. Guess there are more cauldrons out there.
Oh là, je suis un peu loin. Et bon, on a pas trop de choix. Pas de mancheur de toute façon, donc. Ça va, j'ai des bonnes compétences. Depuis tout à l'heure. Mhm. Voilà. Ok, ça je veux.
So these are the ruins of San Francisco. An entire city of crumbling towers. And somewhere buried out here is Thebes. I hope Alva and the Quem can help me find it.
Et ouais, pas la merde. Très beau. En espérant que je puisse retrouver une machine. Oui, j'ai pensé à l'HDR, hein. T'inquiète pas.
That must be the entrance to Landfall up ahead.
Hey. Is that her? The living ancestor. The
Bonjour.
diviner wasn't lying.
This is Landfall, right? I'm looking for Alva.
Overseer Bohai ordered us to invite you before him should you approach. Please, come with me. Go. Let him know we're coming.
It's her!
The diviner was right.
Overseer Bohai. A stranger just walked through the gate.
I knew Alva would not dare lie. You do look like Sobek.
Is Alva here? I need to talk to her.
I will consider your request once it is determined what you are. A living ancestor, as Alva believes, or a threat, lurking in such a guise.
I am no threat, okay? Back on the mainland, your soldiers fired on me without warning.
So you say, infidel. None of those you engaged survived to bear witness.
I held off on your squad when...
Ah bah enfin.
May I present our honored CO.
So, here she is. Our great mystery. Well, Bohai, what have you divined? What is she?
A mystery indeed, my CO. How can she appear as Sobek, and yet know nothing of our ways? Are we to believe that a living ancestor was born to this wretched land? An ocean apart from the realm of the Chosen? And if so, to what end? I cannot answer. Only she can. But I warn you, no falsehood will satisfy us. Now speak. Why are you here? What is your purpose?
I'm looking for a place called Thebes.
And what do you seek there?
Alva told me a little bit about what you're after. I guess you could say I want what you want. A way to heal the world.
As I suspected. Tell her.
We found Thebes, the final resting place of Ted Pharaoh's secrets. It isn't far, but the way is closed to us. Machine attacks have cut us off from the site. Diviner Alva is there, along with a complement of diggers and soldiers.
Is she all right?
Our scouts tell us that a machine has our people pinned behind their defenses, but they're holding out.
Machines, huh? I can help with that.
Alva told us that you are indeed formidable.
But I have a few questions first.
We will answer what we can.
Alors, perdre de décision. Tape c'est là.
So you found Thebes. How?
The ancestors revealed it to us not long after we made landfall. Almost a year ago. Through a scrap of ancient data discovered by Alva and verified by myself. It contained details about the construction of a great underground palace.
Where, exactly?
Close. Beneath the Great Pyramid in the ruins beyond.
Figures. Ted loves his pyramids. Have you been inside?
No. That has been a problem, one of many.
And we will solve them all in time. Getting back to the site is the one at hand. I hope you're as effective against machines as Diviner Alva suggested.
What exactly are you looking for inside Thebes? I thought Alva brought back the data you needed.
We risked much to cross the ocean. Therefore, we must unearth every possible link to the legacy while we are here. especially one as important as Thebes.
We will not sail back until I have plundered its secrets.
What kind of machine has your people pinned down near Thebes?
A Thunderjaw. We've dealt with them before, but this one is...
Tougher, stronger, and it has black armor?
Yes. How did you know?
Doesn't matter. Won't be easy, but I can take it down.
Then destiny shines upon us, as I knew it would. A living ancestor now walks among us, and she will help me attain the secrets of Thebes.
Resupply here if you must. Then on to Thebes at the base of the pyramid in the ruins. We will follow when our scouts confirm you've cleared the way.
D'accord. Y'a juste un F. Alors. Ouais, logique. Stuff. Il est où le loot? Y'a pas? Oui. Légendaire? Pouah, dégoûté. Qu'est-ce que c'est que cette merde?
Next time I'll have something for you.
Ensuite.
Okay. Off to the big pyramid to fight the Thunderjaw.
Forgive me, ancestor. I'm a bit overwhelmed.
T'inquiète. Je gère solo. Monter l'éjecteur, retire la projectile, tranche les machines. Simplement à chaque fois que vous rattrapez. Attention, l'impact. Ok. Ouais, je teste. On va dégager ça, on va mettre ça. Encore d'électrique, putain. Y'a pas de... Ça doit être là-bas, hein. Ils font pas les arcs. Merde. Bon. Ah, c'est effectivement inutile donc. Bah j'ai pas le temps. Alors, c'est très beau, hein, on va pas se mentir. Oh, donc.
One of the Cyclops drones. That could be connected with the dome back in the base if I grab its data.
Bon allez, on va aller sauver l'autre là. Je me suis douillé.
A barbarian! Run, stranger! There's a killer
The machine
about!
will kill you!
There you are. I guess we're doing this.
Ah oui! Elle est pas dans la merde. Ok, il a quoi comme des faiblesses? Ah ouais, c'est un truc que j'ai pas quoi. Tu fais chier mec. Ouah! Esquive! Ouais, c'est tout compris. Elle a touché? Non, l'autre. Allez, ça me fout feu. Ok, ça avance, hein? Wouah, l'enculé. Merde. Oh là, je suis là. Ça n'arrête pas de chose. Aïe. Aïe. Quoi? Wow. T'as essayé de me grailler là-haut? Eh oh, je suis pas un putain de Kevin, hein. Ouah. Alors je fais comment là? Touché. Oh, touché. Esquive. Aïe, esquive. Il est décédé. On va le loot. On va bien péter les couilles. Je mérite. Que de gueule d'or. Let's go.
You killed that machine!
Your CEO sent me.
Hail Machine Hunter! Speak with us!
I need to speak to Alva.
By all means, then. Open the gates!
Bonjour. Pardon, hein. Regarde.
Aloy!
Salut!
Alva, I'm glad you're okay.
Oh, you got rid of that machine. But what are you doing here?
There's something inside Thebes that I need. I went to Landfall. I met your CEO. We came to an agreement. Kind of.
And you're going to help us get in?
I guess so. The whole thing was a little tense. There's something off about that guy. And I don't understand what he wants from Thebes. I thought we found the data that your people needed back on the mainland.
That data will take us years to sift through. The CEO wants faster results. Aloy, you have to be careful. He's...
There they are! The legacy tells us that Elizabeth Sobek helped the ancestors cast aside all obstacles. And so it has been today.
You have been true to your word. I'm pleased. Thebes awaits us below. Shall we?
Quite an excavation.
Much of this was flooded. We had to pump a great deal of water out. Behold, the door to Thebes.
A door like no other.
Well, you're right about that. It's designed to open for only one man. Ted Faro.
But the legacy tells us that he worked closely with Sobek. He trusted her. Surely she could open the door, and so surely can you.
Not gonna happen. At least not from this side.
You said she was a living ancestor with Sobek's eternal essence.
If I may, Pharaoh, great as he was, did not build his palace alone. We know this from scraps of data we found, the ones that pointed to this location. And we found evidence of passages below. Maybe they were built to aid construction. Or for servants. We can't reach them. The way is flooded and they're too far underwater, but...
Yeah. I can reach them. There might be another way in down there.
You see? With Sobek, there is always a way.
Then do what you must to get us inside.
Ok. Allez, avec 2 secondes, je fais juste un petit truc. Hop là, tac. Ok. On est bon. Alors. Faut aller en tout? Faut aller en tout.
That door is all that stands between me and destiny.
This water's warm. Feels like a hot spring.
Nice.
Look at that thing. It's huge.
Putain. Ouais. Oh putain. Sacré bordel, hein. On est sur un volcan, c'est ça? On va tout faire péter encore?
There's a rupture out there. Maybe a way in. Yeah, this could get me inside.
Heureusement que c'est bien nagé, Cam. Non, on aura pas trop pour moi.
Okay, looks like this tunnel goes deeper into the structure.
Ah non, tu déconnes. Ah putain. Maintenant, tac tac tac.
There's gotta be a way to stop that turbine around here somewhere. Stop the turbine.
Ça c'est du tactile wifi. Ok, non, faut bien passer par là. Qu'est-ce que tu me fais Ah, c'était bloqué dans le mur cette conne. Putain. Ah putain, enfin.
I'm inside, but how do I let the Quen in?
Ouvrir la porte principale. Ça va pas être compliqué. Donc on est à l'intérieur.
The living area. It's pretty big too.
Putain ouais.
hope this is the way to the main door, so I can let the Quinn in. Look at this place. It's pretty fancy for a survival bunker.
À mon avis, c'est pas un survival bunker. Bon, il a pas l'air d'avoir grand chose d'autre. On peut ouvrir.
Good. An emergency exit function.
Emergency exit
Classe.
The door is open. Destiny is upon us. I knew you could do it.
What's going on?
The CO is preparing to enter Thebes.
Oula. On va pas le buter lui. Donc il va me péter les couilles. On dirait
why are you dressed like Ted Pharaoh?
J'allais dire.
I am Pharaoh, renewed. My essence is the same as his. Across the years, across the generations.
D'accord, t'as réouvert la porte alors?
Is my soul. His
C'était vraiment un clone.
is my will. We are sundered in only one way. I need his final testament, his deepest secrets. And now that the door is open, those secrets are within my grasp. When I have them, I will be complete, as he was. I will have everything I need to save our homeland, and, as Pharaoh did, the world.
Okay. I think there's some confusion here about who Pharaoh really was.
No one knows better than I who he was, who he is. Me. The Renewer, greatest of the ancestors, the man who saved the world.
Ah non.
And you. You understand, Sobek. You are her, Pharaoh's harbinger, his assistant.
Oui alors.
Come, we will descend into Thebes together, as it should be. Bring her the raiment.
Raiment?
As he is Pharaoh, you are Sobek. For an occasion this momentous, shouldn't you wear proper business attire?
Whoa. No. No, I am not wearing that. No way.
You will wear the proper attire to mark this moment.
Bon, ferme ta gueule, ton chabut.
It is said Sobek valued life above all else. Is this true?
Fine. I'll wear your raiment.
Toi, je vais te fumer. Tu vas crever. Oh putain. Ah, c'est vraiment la tenue de... C'est vraiment la tenue de ce mec.
Excellent. Shall we proceed?
Ah, bourgeoise. Il a pas de focus, Pharaoh.
Look at this place. The grandeur.
Pharaoh's domain. Simply breathtaking.
Putain, c'est légendaire.
Somewhere in here, Pharaoh left his secret.
Ah mais attends, tu m'as laissé garer mes armes. Alors.
You're magnificent. Perhaps we should leave guards behind to cover our exits?
Indeed. Let it be done.
To think of all this preserved for ages.
Ouais, putain.
A monument.
Ils sont sérieux. Oh.
It's a monument to something, I'll give you that.
Putain, ouais.
Remember every detail of his, Bohai, for posterity.
It will be its own chapter in your legacy. Why to palace Pharaoh built for him?
Elle aurait pu faire plus petit quand même.
Of course, Your Eminence. Wonder if Pharaoh had.
There will be no further discussion of your feat, Bohai.
So hey, this is weird.
I tried to warn you.
Yeah, sort of.
I'll explain everything if we survive long enough.
Those certainly look threatening.
Ah, j'allais dire, on va se rendre tarif.
Statues. The guardians of Pharaoh's domain.
Oui, oui, sauf qu'ils sont actifs quand même. Bref. Ah, c'est des vrais. Ils sont complètement actifs.
Those aren't statues. Look out!
Get the CO
J'en
out
étais
of
sûr.
here.
Guess it's just us then.
Ah ouais. Oups. Oh, t'es mort toi aussi. Ah bah d'accord. Bon, ça va.
Thanks.
Where's Overseer Bohai?
He has decided to return to the surface. A wise choice. We can't afford to lose any more diviners than necessary.
Ah ouais, bon, c'est magique.
No more delays. We must proceed.
Et il n'y en a pas d'autres comme. Légendaire.
Ever deeper we go. What is that? A reclining throne, attached to some kind of apparatus.
Vas-y, va le mettre pour. Oh putain. J'espère que vous comptez pas sur sa survie parce que à mon avis. C'est un
I'm
medical bay.
sorry, CO. I don't know. My focus can't read the data here.
What about the living ancestor? Is the data lost to her?
Dis rien, dis rien, dis rien. Fauteuil de soins. Ah, ça, ok, ça va.
Made a minor adjustment to the gene therapy regimen and added a new cocktail to treat the symptoms caused by the mutations. Hopefully, there will be some stabilization after the next treatment.
Il avait le concert?
God knows what Ted'll do to us if there isn't.
Ah, c'est un charme.
The early results were so promising. No signs of aging, no cellular degeneration, but now... Oh, if only I had access to my old lab in Bangkok, or my old colleagues, or my old liquor cabinet. Stop it. Got to stay positive. For Kenya.
You saw something. I could tell. Did the data explain what Pharaoh used this device for?
I think he was undergoing treatments to live longer. A lot longer.
Really? Could he still be alive?
Don't be foolish. If he were alive, he would have kept his essence. It would not have been passed down to me. Remember, he was the renewer. Of course he would have stopped at nothing to grasp the secrets of life and death. But not for himself. Everything he did was for a new beginning. For us, for the Quen. and for his true heir.
Oui, bon, toi, je commence à me péter quoi. Mais on va pas lui foutre une putain de flèche.
You know, I'm starting to think you're right. You do have a lot in common with Ted.
Ah.
I knew you would see in time. Let us continue. His secrets await.
Ah putain. Ah taille, ce truc là. Un truc là, voilà. On va se faire des thunes. Ah, attends. Oui, si j'ai le temps d'aller là-bas. On va scanner ça, non?
Is that a small office? For a minor functionary, perhaps? Look at all this equipment. We are getting closer to the heart of this place. I can feel it. Break the door down.
I'm going to look for another way in.
Good idea. It's worked before.
Very well. Get to it.
Comme ta grande gueule, toi. Je vais lui linker sa race.
Ah, is that a vent of some sort? Not a bad idea. Hurry! Break it open!
Ah bah enfin, il nous a laissé tranquille.
She's gone. Did she make it to the other side?
J'allais dire, ouais. On va pas t'ouvrir, hein.
A console. Maybe I can access Ted's files from here.
Nique sa mère, le faut être fort. Pétez les couilles.
There. Omega clearance. Got it. What do you have to say for yourself, Ted?
Somtow's dead. Along with his kid. Found him on the floor of his office this morning, holding hands. Must have poisoned themselves. I never would have put them to sleep. She was just a girl, for Christ's sake. I offered them life, and this is how they repaid me, by leaving me all alone. But I guess I've been alone since this whole thing began. Alone in bearing the burden. For the past. For the future.
Same old Ted. No matter who dies, he's the one feeling sorry for himself.
Plus his future. Plus his children. Someday they'll come, and I'll be here to greet them. Sometimes said my aging has stopped altogether. If anything, my cells are replenishing faster than normal. I just need some time for the mutations to calm down. Time. And energy. Sometimes said the reactor can give me what I need to grow strong again. To get my shit back together. So I can greet the kids. They're gonna need me. My advice. My guidance. And then I won't be alone anymore.
Oh putain.
Pharaoh's secrets. Are they here?
Not the ones you're looking for.
Then they must be in there.
Trust me. You don't want to go in there.
Are you mad? I haven't come all this way to stop now.
Vas-y, ouvre. Vas-y.
At last, Pharaoh's legacy is mine.
Il y a juste des générateurs. Vas-y. Vas-y. Eh ouais. Eh. Ouais, parce que toi, je me casse.
Is that?
It's him.
Ah ouais. Bah alors, t'es pas content?
To ash.
Wait, no. Pharaoh has it rigged to melt down if...
Kill them too. No witnesses.
Sorry.
Open fire!
Get back! Coming for you!
Ouais, pourquoi je craque? C'est quoi ce bordel?
Face me! One on one!
Pharaoh rigged the reactor to overflow if he dies. We have to run. How do you like me now?
On a même pas eu Pharaoh du coup. Heureusement j'ai eu l'autorisation. Wesh! C'est quoi ça fait ça? Oh ça a un rapport à foutre. On a pas vraiment d'en débuter pour se barrer. On va juste crever comme des... Oh le bordel. On se taille. Oh putain.
Hurry, sire!
Come on!
Out of my way!
Oh l'enculé. Ah. Il te fait une Skywalker. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh oui. Bon. Là t'es sûr. Bon ouais il est mort, il méritait. C'est vrai quoi. Bonjour. Merde, c'est pas où. Ah.
Soldiers, above us!
I have her! Over here! We found...
Into battle!
Ah!
Eh ben. Bon, on a buté Faro. Les deux.
Are you okay?
What happened?
We found something that will help. Not just your homeland, but everywhere.
But where's the CO?
He's gone. I guess you could say he gave his life to help us attain the secrets of Thebes.
I see. You must think I'm eminently stupid.
What? No. No.
The CO was an entitled egotist who twisted our beliefs into a sickening, self-serving fantasy. And you expect me to believe he sacrificed himself for scraps of data? It's time for the truth, and it better be convincing. Otherwise, I'll simply order these soldiers to open fire.
Hold on.
Ça va pas marcher en bas. Hein.
You're right. To be honest, the CO screwed everything up. He brought Thebes down around our ears and died like a gutless coward. But we really did find something down there that will help your homeland. If I can take it and use it. Now, if I have to, I will fight my way out of here, but it doesn't have to be that way. You can just let me go. And then take credit when things start to improve.
Success certainly does sound better than failure. It seems then that our destinies are intertwined. Landfall is open to you. If it will help your cause, you may come and go as you please. But Alva must join you and report back on your efforts.
Fair enough.
Thebes is of no further value to us. Obviously, we're going back to the flotilla. Alva, I expect your reports to be thorough.
Oh, I thought he was going to have us killed. And instead, I get to join you.
Glad to have you. But you're going to need a little help to reach our base. Varl, I made a new friend. I need you to meet her at the Quen Ferry and escort her back.
On it. Can't wait to meet her.
Trust me, you'll love it there. Varl will give you a better focus, and all the data you could ever want. Head to the ferry. I'll join you back east as soon as I can.
A diviner must follow the truth, wherever it leads. I'll see you there.
Now that I have Omega clearance, we should have what we need to capture Hephaestus. But before I head to the ferry, maybe I should stop by Landfall. With the CO gone, maybe more Quen will be...
Alors, niveau 30. Bon, faudra faire du secondaire. Récupérer le drone, non. Alors.
Ancestor.
Est-ce que y a un nouveau Non. Et lui, du coup, j'imagine qu'il a rien de nouveau non plus. Si? Non. Je peux lui vendre des trucs par contre. Eh mais 3004. Ça en fait des thunes, hein. Ok, bon, on va s'arrêter là. J'espère que ça vous aura plu. Il est pas, hein, je trouve joli. Et voilà, là. Non. Si. Voilà. J'espère que cet épisode vous aura plu. Je trouve qu'il était vraiment cool pour le coup. Et puis c'est tout, hein. Comme d'hab, n'hésitez pas à liker, abonner, commenter, partager, la cloche, tweeter. Ah, je sais pas, faut chercher. Bon bref, j'espère que ça vous aura plu. Et puis on se retrouve pour le prochain épisode. Bonne soirée, bonne journée. Ciao ciao, à plus.